Hare ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरभक्तिश्री गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय परमभक्ताय तमैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तन्नामामि। Millions of prayers in the lotus feet of my spiritual Guru Padma. Nitya-lila Pravesham Vishnupada Sri Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. The same in the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. Yesterday we explained what is Uttama Bhakti. By all our senses, the activities of all senses, tongue, body, mind, above that, bhav, continuation, without breaking, like honey. In the guidance of pure Vaishnava or qualified Guru, if we are serving Krishna, to serve Krishna, to please Krishna, then it will be bhakti. And if it is added to things, anya vilasita sunyam, any other desire than serving Krishna, pleasing Krishna, they should be given up. And not controlled, covered by karma or jnana. And then it will be Uttama Bhakti. We have explained very well all these things. So try to follow this Uttama Bhakti. This Bhakti extend from Shraddha, Nishtha, Ruchi up to Mahabhav, Modan, Mohan and Madan Bhav of Srimati Radhika. So we see that Dhruva Maharaj, he had bhakti, but it is not counted in bhakti. Srila Sanatana Goswami has told, we should know that there are 5 kinds of bhakta. Jnani Bhakta. First, Jnani Bhakta. Jnani Bhakta and Jnani Nirvishesh Jnani are defined. Those who don't accept any form, any quality, and they don't think any difference in Jiva and Brahma, they are Nirvisheshvadi, Advaitvadi. And those who thinks the Supreme Lord everywhere and whole world, all the living entity in Supreme Form. And he sees that my worshipable is in them, and in my worshipable, oh, they are all in there. He everywhere saw Krishna, and in Krishna, all living entity he saw. And you know Prahlad Charitra. First in the short Prahlad Charitra. I think it will be better for devotees to read it 108 times and follow the character of Prahlad Maharaj in boyhood, when he was in the womb of his mother. How not great Maharishi Narada gave him all the Vedanta, Upanishad, Puran, Mahabhagavad, Bhagavad, and other things, Gita, everything. So from his boyhood he was Bhakta. His father was a great personality. He was a Maha-Demon, big demon. He has a room from Brahma in day, in night, in Akash, sky, in earth, in Patal,
inside house,
anywhere, anyone created by Brahma should not be. Any animal, any bird, any human being, he should not die. Thus he was like immortal, and he took the position of Nandan Kanan Indrapuri, the palace of Indra, everything, and demigods, what? They run away from there, and thus he was cutting old trees in big fruits. Those cows, those were giving milk and curd and ghee, by which Havan was done.
killing Brahmanas,
And Vedic Brahman who used to do yajna and sacrifice, he stopped. And thus he was doing nonsense things in this world. There became a distinction between father and son. Son, very high class of bhakta, he always chanting, remembering Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaran, all, Nauda Bhakti. And father was totally against. He wanted to stop. But Prahlad Maharaj never stopped. Seeing this, he wanted to kill that boy, that in our Chandan once.
the dynasty of Santa.
Oh, this Prahlad is like Utha.
Yes.
So I should finish him, but he could not. And you have told the teachings of Prahlad Maharaj.
Om Ajnana-Timirandhasya Janam-Jana-Salataya Chakshurumilitam Jena Tasmai Sri-Gurave Namaha Vanchakalpatrubbhascha Kripa-sindubhaiva ca Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavibhyo Namo Namaha. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. First of all, I pay my humble obeisances in order to my Paramahansa Guru Padma, Om Vishnupad, Astotra Sabhasishimad Bhaktivedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Om Vishnupad, Parivajagacharya Varja, Astotra Sabhasishimad Bhaktivedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. After that, I pay my obeisances in order to my spiritual grandsire, Nitya Krishna Vishnupad, Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, and Nitya Krishna Vishnupad, Srila Bhakti Pradhan Kishore Goswami Maharaj. I pay my obeisances all Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis according to the gradation headed by the sannyasis. So the Gurudev ordered me to discuss about teachings of Prahlad Maharaj, especially Naisang Matistavat Uruktamangri, Prishatkanat Thabakamo Jadartha, Muniyasang Padarajogisekam, Niskincharanam Vrinita Javat. When Prahlad Maharaj was replying to his father, he quoted this sloka, how our intelligence and propensity will attach towards Krishna's lotus feet. So Prahlad Maharaj taught us for the whole world, not for his father only. Noisan Motis Tavat Urukramangri. Urukramangri means one name of Bhagavan is Urukram. When Bhagavan took arms for Bali Maharaj and took everything in 6 steps, all the planetary system, after that he controlled Bali Maharaj even. So at that time his feet were so big, so it's called Urukram. So Noisan Motis Tavat Urukramangri, Prisatto Anarthapagamu Yadartha. Whoever takes shelter of Bhagavan, his anartha will go away. But we could not do directly to Bhagavan. We have to surrender ourselves the lotus feet of Ashray Bhagavan. Who is bona fide Gurudev, they call Ashray Bhagavan. Like Bhagavan has 6 qualities. Aishwarjasya, Viryasya, Samagrasya, Aishwarjasya, Jasasya, Gyano, Vairagasya, Sanam, Vaitingana. In the same way, Ashray Bhagavan, they have also 6 qualities. It was mentioned in scriptures, Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Gun, Sakali Sanchari. So all the qualities of Krishna infused in his bona fide devotee. So if Krishna has 6 qualities, what is the 6 qualities of Ashray Bhagavan? Detti Viddam Aviddanscha Bhutanam Agatim Gatim Utpatti Pralashteva Savatyo Bhagavaniti. This is the definition of Ashray Bhagavan. Puno Vidya, Vidya means Savidya Tanmati Jaya. By whom our intelligently attached towards Bhagavan who knows is Ashray Bhagavan is Vidya. Avidya, to forget Krishna Avidya. Bhutanam Agatim Gatim. How some living entity can get good destination and bad destination. Utpatti Pralashteva. How bhakti will manifest in our heart and how bhakti will demonstrate from our heart. Who knows very well is Ashray Bhagavan, Savatyo Bhagavaniti. So whoever meditates upon Bhagavan, his anartha will go away. Noisan Motis Tavat Krishat Anartha Majata, Mayasang Padarajogisekam, Niskin Charanam Vrinita Javat. We have to take shelter of Mahat, Mayasang Padarajogisekam. If someone wants to advance in Krishna consciousness, for them, Srila Kaviraj Goswami has told us, Bhakta Pada Dhuliyar, Bhakta Pada Jal, Bhakta Bhutta Sresti Sadhane Bol. 18 सेवा है जे कृष्ण प्रेमा है पुनः पुनः सर्वशास्त्रे पुकारिया करे भक्त पद धुलियार भक्त पद जल भक्त भक्त श्रेष्ठ sadhane bol. If someone want to be very strong in sadhan bhajan, in Krishna consciousness, what to do? Very easy method. What is that? Kaviraj Goswami instruct us that bhakta pada dhuli have to take the dust of devotee, but not by force. Have to serve such a way, his heart bound to melt. And bhakta pada jal, the 5th part water of bona fide devotee. Moreover, bhakta bhutta sesti sadhane bol, remnant of devotees. Remnant 2 types. One is Harikatha touched by his lotus leaves, and Mahaprasad which is left over after his serving Mahaprasad. If someone serves with great faith, then none can check him to advance in Krishna consciousness. We have seen for Dhruva Maharaj, we have seen for Narad Rishi, our previous Acharya, when he was in Dasiputra, then some 70 person came in their village and he took order from them and to serve their Mahaprasad, and how big person he became. Nowadays he is moving all and everywhere, universes and all Vaikuntha planets and even Braj also. So it is so powerful. So if somebody will take shelter of Maniyasa, means bona fide devotee, then all anartha will go away. So Prahlad Maharaj instruct this for us. If we want to advance in Krishna consciousness, we have to do that. Moreover, he put another sloka, नते विदुषार्थ गतिं हि विष्णु दुराशयादे वैरर्थमानिना अन्धरथं नैपुण्यमाना तेति सफलामृतां निबद्धा. He's giving an example. If someone following a blind person being a blind, what will be the result? The blind means who cannot see by eyes. And if someone follow another blind, what will be the result? What will be the destiny? Both of them will go to ditch. Same way, is Guru Sandamarka. They don't know at all about Krishna consciousness. And first time that Hiranyakashipu chastised them, they are teaching them economy, political science, etc. They are teaching them Prahlad Maharaj, all demonic boys, that money is money, sweeter than honey and brighter than sunshine. If you have money, if you have not money, then your life will be funny, you will be funny. These are teachings, Sandamarka. So they are telling, by this, they are blind. If someone follow them blindly, both of them going to hell without any hell. So Prahlad Maharaj told to his father, they do not taught me, they don't know at all how they can teach me all these things. Not possible for them to teach me. Motive then he told, then how your mind fixed with your God. Then he told, Motirna Krishna Parato Satova Mithovi Padeti Griha Patanam Atanta Govi Visatanka Misram Punah Punastarvita Charvananam. Motirna Krishna Parato Satova. Here propensity will not attach to one's Krishna speech by others, by yourself. Also, Mithovi Padeti Griha Patanam. Who thought their ultimate goal is their house? If devotee, household are two types. One is called Grihamedhi, another Grihastha. Grihastha means being in house. Your center is Krishna Bhajan. Your wife and kids, they are servant and maidservant of Krishna. Keeping this idea, if you maintain your life with any business or job, then you are Grihastha Bhakta. And whoever only keeping their wife center and thought that this is my for enjoyment, nothing else, and you are not doing any bhajan, not honoring Holy Guru Vaishnava, then you are Griha Medhi. Medhi means a pole. So if your only self-enjoyment is pole, then you are Griha Medhi. So Motirna Krishna Parato Satova Mithovi Patet Griha Vatanam. Only their vow is to self-enjoyment. Adanta Govi Visatamka Misram. Adanta Govi means if you are not controlled your mind or senses, then you are Adanta Govi. So whoever taken shelter of bona fide Gurudev, for them it's very easy to do all these things. In Harmonist, one article is there, how to control your mind, you mentioned how to meditate upon Krishna's lotus feet, and so many symbols. What symbol for what part is mentioned clearly. If you read Harmonist, which part is the last Kartik, then you can get one clear conception. Adanta Govi Visatamka Misram Punah Punastarvita Charvananam. In household life, we are not doing bhajan Krishna at all. What they are doing? They are achieved by their forefather, their father, grandfather, great-grandfather. They are being in this world, enjoying this world and dying, you are doing sin. This is not good for you. Likewise, we are going to give one example. Like they say, there are so many street dogs. Somehow or other, one dog get a dry bone. He thought, oh, today my day is successful. He took this dry bone and chewing, and due to dry bone there is no flesh, no blood, so he got cut, injured in his gum, and some blood is coming, and he thinks, oh, very salty taste. He does not know at all that he is getting his own blood. Seeing this, few other dogs chase upon that dog, so that dog ran as fast as possible to hold him his bone. What can he do? All others jumped on him. Then he give it up and go somewhere else. and from little far distance kept his tail inside his hind leg and looking towards other dogs. So whoever getting that bone, other dog chasing him. This is the material world. Puna story with the Charvanana. If you follow that policy, you have to suffer. So our best policy is to surrender ourselves, the lotus of bona fide Gurudev, and do bhajan of Bhagavan, then life is successful. So Prahlad told later on, how the process to do bhajan. When Devani Boy asked Prahlad, then he told, Guru Susru Saya Bhakta, Sarvalabhar Paninacha, Sangyana Sadhu Bhaktanam, Isarara Dhaninacha. Guru Susru Saya Bhakta, you have to serve Gurudev with full faith. And which you have possessed, you have to offer everything to Gurudev. Whatsoever is material oil, Manasa, Deha Geha, Jo Kichu Mor, Orpinu Tuapade, Nanda Kishore. Devotee is telling to Krishna, O Nanda Kishore, which I possess, my mind, because he could not do anything without your mind. If you walk, your mind is not there, you may fall down. And we have our body and living house. But what is belongs to me, I offer everything to you. Why? If you do so, then I have no responsibility, my all responsibility on you. So Guru Susru Saya Bhakta have to offer everything to Gurudev. Moreover, Samgyana Sadhu Bhaktanam have to be always in good association. And if you do bhajan, that your life is successful, you can advance in Krishna consciousness. There is no other way. I have to follow this policy by Prahlad Maharaj, then you can advance Krishna consciousness. And after that, what kind of other bhaktas, how we can advance in Krishna consciousness, step by step, we will listen from Gurudev Lotus Leaf. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpataru bhasya vipasindhu bhayavacha papitanam pavane bhusnavenu.
Hiranyakashipu after that became very angry. He wanted to kill him, in so many various ways, but he could not. Again, Chanda met the Guru, asked that my father is now outside, he will come and he will rectify this boy, don't worry. And then he took him, and then he told that one day two gurus went outside, keeping Prahlad Maharaj like monitor, and when they gone out, all boys wanted to play. But Prahlad Maharaj told, today you should listen me, don't play. Another day you can play plenty, but today you should hear. Kaumar Acharit Prajyo. Those who are intelligent from beginning of their life, from their childhood, they should try to do bhajan, chanting, hearing sweet pastimes of Krishna, remembering and other things. The Devan boy told, when you will be old then you cannot do anything. You cannot stay even, and death is when it will come, no certainty. It may be tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 100 years, you will die, but no certainty. So from beginning of your life, then how our maintenance will go? Then Prahlad Maharaj told, Natat prayaso Jat ayu vaya param na tatha vinkate kshemam mukunda charanam. If sorrow and suffering coming without any invitation, happiness must come without doing, because it is prarabdha karma. What we have done in past life, as a fruit, they are bound to come. So don't waste your time. If our age is 100 years, 20 years goes, 50 years goes in sleeping, day and night. And in day also, from childhood up to 20 years, we are trying to be expert so that we can collect so much money and be happy. And from 80 years to 100 years, or too old, they cannot do anything, no memory,
Useless.
nothing, useless. Now 10 years remaining. In 10 years, marrying, making house, car, and TV, so many things, computer. Then giving birth to children, supporting and nursing children. While you will do bhajan, again you will have to come in the circle of birth and death. So you should know that I am Guru. Guru is my Swarup. Sakshat Hari Tena, not Hari, but he is very near and dear to Krishna. So knowing this, you should surrender to Gurudev and give him all your sarvlabhar parinacham. What you have, give, and then you should serve Krishna. In this way, your life will be successful. Then Prahlad Maharaj told that, oh, repeat us and do kirtan. And then Prahlad Maharaj began to sing and they also began to follow. Sri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Sri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare. Come on, please, Kishora Krishna Sri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Sri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Shri Yasoda Paraya Prasida Shri Yasoda Paraya Prasida Shri Vallavi this kirtan was so louder that it done everywhere, and hearing the sound and from any his god, Hiranyakashipu knew that all boys are going to be spoiled. At once he took his sword and club and he came. Oh, you have no fear? Why fear? Who is saving and who is your bulk?
Strength.
Strength. Oh, who is the strength of yours? Same. Where he is? Everywhere. Everywhere I am not seeing. Oh, I am seeing. Is he in this pillar? Oh, yes, he is in pillar. And then he beat his gate, and that pillar was smashed. And big sound. How big sound came? Oh, why not ready already? Going to. What doing?
Sleeping.
Bala is not doing anything.
Oh, Bala.
Oh, you did not. No lion. Upper part like lion and lower part like man. Oh, so many thousands of arms, so many astra, weapons, and he catch hold of Hiranyakashipu. It was not day or night, it was evening. Not in sky, not in earth, on his lap. Not outside, not inside, on the door. No. Not by any weapon, only by nails. And not created by Brahma, he was not created. He is created of Brahman, Shankara and all. And in a second he, what?
Ripped him apart.
Finished and took his
Intestines.
everywhere. And he can very curious. And flame from his head coming, Jata. Then all fear. Brahma told to Shankar, please go, you are very near and dear to Krishna, so you should pacify. Oh, I cannot go today. And then Lakshmi was told, she told that, now I cannot go, I am fearing. Then they asked Prahlad, and Prahlad, running, he went there. And he fell flat on the lotus feet of Nishingadev. And then Nishingadev, all anger and everything was subsided. And he took Prahlad Maharaj on his lap and told, I want to give you some benediction, please ask. Oh, Prahlad Maharaj told, I am not a businessman that I want anything for your bhakti. If anything, to desire to take anything, you should rectify that. Then he told her, even something you should want. Then he told, my father should be happy, he should be liberated, because he has done aparat to you and you are bhakt to me. Oh, he is liberated. Your 21 generation are liberated because you are son Uttam Mahabharata. And they will be, who will be Madhyamadhikari? They will be liberated 14. And those who are simply Kanishta Vaishnavadhikari,
7.
if any son like Kanishta, then his 7th generation will be liberated. Thus Prahlad Maharaj is Jnani Bhakta. But by tongue, by hand, by mind, how we serve Krishna, who is his worshipable form, Nisim came, and in a moment he
disappeared.
disappeared. And what service? His Parabrahma had no appetite, no thirst. He cannot give all these things. He is not that he will message. He is self-satisfied Atmaram of Atmaram. He gets nothing. So Prahlad Maharaj only doing Shravan Kirtan, nothing else. So Shuddha Bhakta Ambarish is more superior than. Though Ambarish Maharaj is not faster, that is Siddha, and Prahlad Maharaj is Siddha. But even how he is superior, you can tell. In brief, the Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Puru Maharaj, from New York, he has left his body. He was pure Bhakta, and he has served his Gurudev, and after his Gurudev, he is serving and helping in so many ways. We are indebted to him. He was a bosom friend of mine, and we have lost today a pillar of bhakti as he was. So I pray Krishna to be merciful, to sprinkle his mercy to him, that where he is, his soul is, he should be happy and peaceful, and he will increase his devotion in Krishna, and he should have Krishna name. Only he can do. So today all we are lamenting for him and praying him that you should be merciful to all. Guru Prabhu, you should be merciful to us that we can serve Gurudev like you. Then if Durvasa Rishi was running for 1 year, Sudarshan at once in a second he finished that demon.
Durvasa, yes.
Lady.
Married demon.
But why not to Durvasa? He can burn and cut the head of Durvasa in a second, in a moment, at once. But because Ambarish Maharaj was praying, oh Sudarshan Chakra, don't give him any pain. That is why. Secondly, Durvasa ji has done this to show world how high is Ambarish Maharaj, even greater than Brahma Gyan. He was pure Bhakta. So, thirdly, if he was 1 year, he took nothing until Rishi came and he gave him Delicious fruit, prasadam. Then how he kept his Ekadasi? How?
It is Ekadasi and Charanamrit.
Dwadashi he used to do paran by
Charanamrit.
only Charanam. So his Ekadasi, Dwadashi, everything was okay. Now Ambarish Maharaj has served the deities only. He has gone to the places of Vrindavan, everywhere. He has remembered the sweet pastimes of Krishna. He has heard always Krishna Katha. But one thing, by his body and senses, he had not served properly to Supreme Lord. Only he has remembered. But Premi Bhakta Hanuman, he has served Ram. He can message. His Ram can be tired. He may be hungry. So fruits from forest he used to collect and give them. When Sita was stolen, he jumped to the ocean and went there and he burnt the whole Lanka in ashes. And then he told Sita, you should come on my back, I will take. Oh no, Ram should come here. I will not touch anyone without Ram. And then he took his
Ring. Ring.
Chandrika and told, give me something that I will show around that I have discovered, I have seen. Then Sita gave and he went, returned back. And then again, you know that how the bridge was done. And after that, he has set Ram and Lakshman from Shakti shade and other things. Always serving. But one thing, he is serving only by Dasyaras. He served. He cannot embrace Ram. He cannot give his sweet remnants to Ram. He cannot sit on the same throne on Ram. He cannot go inside when Ram is with Sita. He cannot. So, there is something less. So Pandavas are more superior. They are Prem par Bhakta. Why? Krishna became servant of Arjuna. And Arjuna told, take my chariot in the middle of the
army.
And he did like so. When his horses were tired, Krishna used to massage the legs of horses in them. And he used to serve the horses for Arjuna. Once Narad came to Shankarji, I want to see a very high class of devotee in this world. He told that you should go to Indraprastha. And there you should go to the palace of Arjuna. He went there and he saw what he saw in a bed. Same palank. Krishna is sitting, Arjuna is sleeping together. But Arjuna's head was in the feet of Krishna and Krishna's feet was on the head of both. Arjuna embracing his feet, Krishna embracing his Arjuna's feet. And from the core of Arjuna, Krishna was seeing this. Narada Rishi was very happy and he began to sing the glories of Arjuna. So, not even only that, Krishna has given his sister Subhadra and he had become Shala, brother-in-law of Arjuna. Not only that, he had taught Abhimanyu all astra and everything and always serving. Hanuman serving to Ram, but Krishna serving to Arjuna, Draupadi, Maharaj Yudhishthira and others. Like brothers, like Sakha. And then mostly to Draupadi, he used to tell Sakhi. But there is something. What? As per Jamud always. In the battle of Mahabharata, Arjuna, Krishna showed him Vishwarup.
Universal form.
Universal form.
Universal
form.
of form. And lakhs of mouths, very big, fire coming everywhere. And all are within the teeth of Vishwarup. All are dying. Krishna told that all are dead. You should nimitta matra bhava sabdya sachi. Don't fear that I am killing. Oh, they are, by their karma, they are all killed by me. Arjuna saw this and began to pray, Prabhu, I have done wrong, some offensive till lotus feet. That I have told you, Hey Sakha, Hey Krishna, bring my chariot here and there, serve my horses. Oh, please excuse me. From now, I will not do like this. So, Arjuna Bhakti is like Aishwarya. More than this, Jadvansi and among them, Uddhav is Prematur Bhakta. But you know, Krishna told him, I have told you, Krishna told that go to Vrindavan and pacify my father and mother. He sent Uddhav not to pacify him. He knew without me, my going, they will not be satisfied. So he wanted that Uddhav should go and take training in the college of Prem. Where principal is Radhika. Vishakha and Lenta are professor of the subjects. He should go and learn what is Prem, and then he should return back, and then I will talk with him and I will lessen my suffering or bigger separation for Radhika and all gopis, my father, mother and son. He went there, but he was not admitted in the because he was unfit. Gopis asked him some question, but he could not reply. So he returned back, but he saw the glory of gopis, and then he began to tell, Asamaho Sarnare Nisham Vrindavane Kimatul Mandapau. Oh, I want to be a dust so that I want to be clean gulma, crosses, plague of cross, on which gopi will keep their feet dust there, and my life will be successful. And then he told also, Javaisya Archit Ajadidhi Apta Kamai Yogeshwarish Yogeshwari Javaisya Archit Ajadidhi Apta Kamai Yogeshwari Jadatma Nirasa Gostya Krishnasya Tad Bhagavat Charanar Vindam Nastam Tanesh Vijahupada. Those Brahman, Shankar and others meditating the feet of Krishna, but that feet not coming in their meditation, and that by that feet gopis kept that 4 feet on their breast, and they took away this the calm prem of Krishna also satisfied. Not there. The thought which was in the heart of Krishna, oh, they removed it. Bande Nanda Brajay Strinam Padre Bhitnasa Jasa Hari Katoti Punat Bhuvanat. I am doing bandana, I am doing pranam to go to Gopi lotus feet. Only just the Harikatha told by all the gopis, especially in Brahmar Gita, Gopi Gita, Venu Gita. If it but purify whole world and then put forth the glory of gopis and return back to Krishna and told, you must go, otherwise gopis will die. I could not satisfy. There is so much things to say. Now I am stopping here. You should try to follow all the instructions. I wanted to tell the sweet pastimes of Krishna, but this time I could not tell. If I will come again, well, the sweet pastimes from boyhood to last Brahma Gita I will take. Go Premanandi.
But this should not be.
No, I'll be very
this
careful
goes
now.
to others.
Okay.
So I will have to go?
Yes.
You can all wait here. I'll be there want to see Gurudev for. All wait here. We are coming.
Daughters, one daughter used, and this is their brother.
Now I.
Yes, Vijay.
Your wife?
My wife.
Sumati. And she's been a worshiper of Durga all her life. So last night we showed her from your Brahma Samhita the relationship of Durga and Radha and Krishna, and she was reading it. But she said she finds, because she's been doing it her whole life, how to cut it and become a devotee of Krishna. She's asking.
She's saying that all her life she has been worshipping Durga Devi. But now she's hearing about Radha and Krishna.
You should know that who is Durga Devi. Durga Devi is shadow of Radhika. Radha Devi is soul. And this Durga Devi Kali only like a body. If no Radhika, no existence of Kali. If real thing is not, then no shadow. So Srimati Radhika in this world to give some bad injection of worldly thing only, she comes as a Durga. This world is Durg. Durg means
Fort.
Fortress.
Castle.
Fortress.
fort, like jail, fort. And this Durga Devi is protector of these and destroyer of these and making of these. She can give you worldly things, wealth, reputation, other things. But she cannot give Krishna prema or liberation, anything. Only Radhika or manifest Lalita Vishakha. Durga Devi is not Golo Vrindavan, only in this world. There is a manifestation of Radhika that is called
Katyayani, Mahamani, Mahajani.
but she is like Radhika. So I think it would be better that you should think Radhika real and his shadow Durga. What Durga Devi will give you after your death, everything. So, better you should take initiation like your husband and worship Radha Krishna, then Durga will be very, very happy to you.
Sometimes, Gurudev, they ask if they can keep one deity of Durga in their house. If they
But
can,
there should be one point. But if anyhow they cannot give up from the remnant of Radha Krishna, from the vast Charanamrita, we can give. Otherwise you will be cheated.
विनोद ठाकुर ने जयवधर में कहा था कि अगर ठाकुर जी को दिया हुआ प्रसाद नहीं लेना चाहिए, बाकी जितने डेमीगॉड्स हैं उनको दिया हुआ प्रसाद नहीं है। लेकिन हम जब दूसरे मंदिर वगैरह जाते हैं तो जो मिलता है वो क्या है, वो उसको आप क्या कहेंगे, वो हम नहीं लेंगे।
काली, दुर्गा, शंकर, उनकी विभूति ये किसी का नहीं। यदि कृष्ण को दिया हुआ, विष्णु का दिया हुआ, जिन को दिया जाए वो हम ले सकते। जैसे कृष्ण को भोग लगा भुवनेश्वर में, पहले वासुदेव भगवान उनको भोग लग करके तब भुवनेश्वर लिंगराज में जाता था, वो प्रसाद दिया जाता। We should not take Bhashma of Shankar, no prasadam. Only we can do pranam to Shankar. And if pure devotee gives anything to Shankar, the remnant of Krishna to Shankar. In any case, person like this, we should not do. Always this. If you have no tilak and no kanthimala, then Jamraj, the dukes of
Yamadutas.
they will think that, oh, this is not Krishna Bhakt. So they will take him to Jamraj. Surely. So we should try to put tilas and timala.
Question. So what happens immediately to the soul of a person who is dead for a Vaishnava and a non-Vaishnava devotee?
বলছে কেউ শরীর ছাড়লো এখনই তার আত্মার কি হবে, কোনো ভক্তের যদি এখন শরীর ছাড়ে তার আত্মার কি হবে, আর কোনো যদি ভক্ত না হয় তার আত্মার কি হবে শরীর ছাড়া মাত্র।
If he is not proper bhakta, what he has done activities, according to that he will have to go heaven or Narak,
Hellish planet.
or according to his karma he will take birth anywhere. It may be he can be dog, donkey, monkey or any other thing.
Does it take immediately when the soul quits the body? Or
যখন
it
শরীর
takes some
ছাড়লো
time?
তখনই কিনা সময় লাগবে।
As he has done, it depends on what he has done.
My wife passed away, Gurudev, January 1st, January 5th this year.
His wife
पत्नी
She left her body.
She was Vaishnavi.
Yes. So,
Vaishnavi,
yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
and you, her sons, all Vaishnava, always chanting name. So they will have a human form anywhere in the family of a rich and Vaishnava family. And there easily she will have Guru again, and she will
complete her bhajan.
bhajan.
देव जब साधन भक्ति करते हैं हम
जोर से बोलो।
जब साधन भक्ति करते हैं तो ठाकुर जी राधा रानी के क्या का रूप का ध्यान करना चाहिए कि लक्ष्मी नारायण के रूप का ध्यान करना चाहिए?
लक्ष्मी नारायण जी का करो,
लक्ष्मी नारायण जी
तुमको धन संपत्ति इत्यादि मिल जाए।
नहीं क्योंकि जो इस्कॉन में मेरे कुछ
लक्ष्मी नारायण का मंत्र दिया है।
नहीं आपने तो ठाकुर जी राधा रानी का दिया। जो इस्कॉन में मेरे कुछ दोस्त हो गए थे, श्री प्रभुपाद ने कहा है कि
इस्कॉन में जाओ, उनको गुरु बनाओ।
नहीं उनको मैं सिर्फ आपसे पूछ रही हूँ।
मित्र लोग तो बोले
वो कहते हैं कि क्योंकि हम इस लायक नहीं है कि ठाकुर जी राधा रानी का जो है
तुम नहीं लायक, तुम करो, मैं लायक हूँ।
कृष्ण पापी से पापी सब लोगों का भक्त है। इसलिए तू योग्य नहीं थे, जो आत्मसमर्पण करेगा वो उनके पास जाएगा। वो कृष्ण more merciful than Narayan, Vishnu, others. There are none merciful like Krishna. Ramchandra cannot give so much honor for ladies. But Krishna, he has given himself to Radhika. Gopis. Even you know that so many princes and beautiful wives of kings, they were the jail of
Narakasur.
But they always remember now Krishna. And Krishna came and killed
Narakasur.
and they released. And Krishna told that you should go where you want, or husband, or a mother, father. They told that we cannot go anywhere. We want to be the maid servant of your palace, Rukmani Saptavama. Nothing else. We will roam and do all things. Krishna told that no. I will keep you like what Rani,
Like queen.
like Rukmini. And he married all ladies and took into Dwarka, and for each he gave
One royal palace.
one palace.
Hare Hare Bol.
आज मैं वृंदावन को वापस जाऊँ।
बहुत जल्दी से जाओ, बहुत जल्दी पहुंच जाओ।
गुरुदेव अभी तक किसी परिक्रम में नहीं आ पाए गुरुदेव। आप किसी तरीके से
ठीक है, पहले सर्विस कर लो, जब रुपया पैसा हो जाएगा तो आ जाओ।
लेकिन अब पहले आप कह रहे थे पढ़ाई कर लो तब आ जाना।
हाँ, तो पढ़ाई तो हो गई ना,
ज्यादा पैसा चाहिए ना।
पैसा चाहिए ना, हमको भी तो देना होगा पैसा, तो कहाँ से आएगा? पहले सर्विस करके कुछ जमा कर लो और तब इसके बाद
अच्छा नहीं था कि साधु संग मिले, वहाँ पे अकेली जा रही हूँ, पता नहीं बहुत दूर जा रही हूँ।
अरे अकेली नहीं, वहाँ जाएगी बहुत।
उधर हमारे भक्त रामदास और पूरा फैमिली और लोग बहुत लोग हैं।
बहुत
So small.
It's too small. The baby. The baby, Gurudev.
The baby.
Oh, already good.
Baby skins.
Garments?
No, choosing items.
Operations for the MH 715, MH 715 to the Kazakh. Passengers please proceed to gate H pointing for the Sekarang saya 12 mari pintu C22 pintu C22 Please Airlines by H141 and H141 to Sydney and Brisbane is now reporting for the C22 马来西亚航空各乘客请注意，飞往悉尼和布里斯班的班机 MH141 现在已经准备起飞，请登机乘到 C22 班机返悉尼。
And come back again. Yes.